Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make vegan pancakes.
For this simple vegan pancake recipe, you will need oats, unbleached all-purpose white flour. As your egg substitute, you will use flax seeds, but if you don't have any, you can also use chia seeds or a few bananas. For this recipe, I will actually be combining the three of them. You also need baking powder, some chocolate chips, maple syrup, and your favorite plant milk. For my base, I will be combining oat flour and all-purpose white flour. Since I don't have oat flour, I will be blending some oats. Here I am using 1 cup of oats. Make sure to use a high-speed blender for this part. Now add 2 cups of all-purpose white flour to your bowl. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder to your mix to make your pancakes extra fluffy. Now let's prepare our egg substitute. I will mix and mush 1 banana on a separate bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to your banana mush mix. Add 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now you're ready to add your cruelty-free egg into your dry mix. And finally, add 3½ cups of your favorite plant milk into your mix. I'll be using wild blueberries and dark chocolate chips to make them extra yummy.
Ten pancakes.
10 pancakes.
Don't even dare. We need to cut it pretty.
No, we don't. We're not going to cut it in half. Just start eating it.
Alright, let's eat. It's gonna fall.
Can you poke it in the middle? Put the knife straight through the middle
Okay.
to hold it.
There. So for the sauces, I used almond butter with maple syrup to make it runny, and then I put some coconut cream.
Oh shit. Splattering.
There's more if you want.
More?
Coconut cream.
Oh, I was going to say, goddamn.
Oh yeah. You liking it? You need more sweetness?
It's pretty good. Real bash.
Are you?
This is the biggest stack of pancakes I've ever seen.
As I kept making them, they kept getting bigger. So the stack was looking so weird.
Yes.
And then I had to rearrange them. Try it on my side. Yeah.
Blueberries are freaking good too.
I added flax seeds and chia seeds this time. And a banana. They were very fluffy.
Yeah, they're really good.
And for the liquid, I used the new soy milk from the...
I put some of that in my smoothie this morning. It was really good in the smoothie.
This is gonna fill you up.
To the highest level. You full?
Yeah.
Then,
You know?
no.
Wow.
Did you eat any before this?
This one, look. Because I was trying the recipe and I wanted to see if it needed anything else, so I made a little tiny one. Getting it? Well, look at it. We started up here. Your face when you came in the house and you saw the stack of pancakes, you're like, your face was the best. I wish I would have had that on camera.
The best surprise.
You didn't think it'd be ready yet?
I was wondering what would come. I wonder why she hasn't called yet.
I was about to call you too.
I better go up. Or you put it over here.
So it can start soaking.
You get all liquids on there.
Woo! Down to the last bite. Success.